Laura, where you at?
Where you go? Where you go? You want me call Marky Mark for me phone fi conduct with everything and that you want?
Laura,
where you go? You want me dial Marky Mark?
Where you say?
And Marky Mark, you want me dial? Make you whole into the car, Marky Mark. If me can't cancel, no, Marky Mark can see you, you know. Time have them type of people there, you know. We can't
see you. May I ask you a question? Laura, may I just play a match? Where you look out of this? Where it benefit you?
When me ask you, is you tell a lie for Marky Mark, I will want if a true or a lie.
Yeah, where
because trust and believe me, Marky Mark, I go come out to the eat. I'm hear this already.
Yeah.
You say Marky Mark send a 5,000 all. That's true or lie. That we are asked.
So when me done tell a lie for?
Marky Mark. Alright, let me ask you something.
Yeah, when
you said that Marky Mark. Hold on now. I'm gonna ask you something. Calm down, young man. Cause you're too ignorant. I mean, they are Jamaica, England, and we're not ignorant people at England. You're too ignorant.
Yeah, so
listen to me and ask you.
Yeah.
You said that when Marky Mark send you money, Marky Mark, you block him. That's what you said, right?
Yeah, me block him.
After him send the money?
Yeah. No, remember them time there? Along before me did up on the call with it, right? Right? When me did at the call center.
When you block him after the call or before
remember
the call?
Remember the call was at the call center when him there said him a come carnival, right? I'm telling him, say, me now have the money to go carnival. No,
that was after the call. That was after the call.
That was that was after the call, a long time after. Yeah, so when him send me the money now, I blocked him because me never arrive at the carnival, right? Because remember me tell you, say, I was just taking money from Marky Mark, but analyze a relationship.
But Deverell, it's so weird because he said that he want you to pick him up and bring him out. So if him tell us same one, if you pick him up and bring him out, it mean that say are you fi spend and not him fi spend.
No. Oh, me fi spend when a long time. The Roger send me money. Oh, me fi spend. Oh, me fi spend them time there.
More, but me I tell you how it sound when him send a message say him want you to pick him up and bring him out. So him sound like say okay then that mean that you are gonna take care of him. You get what me I say, guys? You understand what me I say? Cause I saw the message sound.
Yeah, but at the end of the day it sound that way there, yes, but at the end of the day, him just there say that time want me link him a carnival though. So that's what in the one me link him a carnival. Then
but the thing is, he want you to take care of him. That's why he said that in the message.
No, remember say.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Look here now, if me I go text a Deverell, if me I go text him, I say, you know, some more you pick me up and more you carry me out of the things them, me expect that you have to pay for everything.
No, you have no. Yeah, I understand what you mean.
That him expects that you have to pay for everything.
No, but a code him a talking where you can't hear. A code.
So you're saying that he was talking in code?
Yeah, remember say him not know you like that though, so him a talk code.
But I never mean text, or you him text and say that too, you send a message
to
me.
No, he did all on the call to when him say I go England pan carnival. And him that talking a code.
Yes, he said that, but listen. In the screenshot that you sent to me, he said that he want you to come pick him up and carry him out. So me But me could never pick up somebody when me never have no movement. Me they have my wife carry in the buy, send the money already on my bike. But me could never pick him up when me they have a movement. But did you go and pick him up?
Yeah?
Did you pick him up from England when he came?
No, I could watch now. Remember say them time them there remember I did see me a call center, me did there. I work on
yes, they were working, yeah.
Yeah, so me just did I use my remember say somebody a fish, you have to use a mind game to get their money, right? Yeah, so me I go play
money, but at the same time the fish telling you that he love you. And you said yes. I love you too.
Then
and you collect the money from the fish.
Yeah, but
so that means
listen me. But a mind game. Somebody will jog on somebody and feel like say them and them a play same boat thing. But it's not like to say you like the person or you want to be a part of them MVP community or no.
But Marky Mark did jealous over you because Marky Mark accept we were in a relationship.
Yeah, but yeah, Marky Mark did jealous, but watch out, me never did it for the loving thing or none of that. But just a look money because me the frost though. Me dey have whole heap of bills some more and pay for me not
so why you looking money while you're working?
Because me dey work, but me
and you're working in a proper job.
I was working, but I'm in debts. Me have car insurance bill for pay about. Me have my rent for talk about. Me have other things where me 9 to 5.
But if you work, Laura supposed to work and you're supposed to pay half 50-50.
No, she dey have the baby, so it's like she have to debt.
Okay.
So me now did only have to take money from Marky Mark for survive. You get? But it's not like to say me did like him like that or me want a relationship with him. I'm a fuck man or none of that shit. I'm just there to take money and move the fuck on. So it's not like it was the person gonna call you and you're gonna talk to them and them are gonna call you back, you're gonna talk to them, but it's not like in
no, but me look here now. Him beg me, I never give him $1. So look here, that's how I know me a hot girl no blood clot. That's how I know say star and a star a blood clot. Hey, look here now. So when me I say is, if you did black Marky Mark, or him never text me and tell me say you black him?
Because what you know, you have to understand, Marky Mark did always say you're in a mix-up and him not join the policy there.
Hey, so when answer the call for?
No, because I mean that they do. Because him know me not really do the mix-up shit, see me. Because me not really do mix-up, you see.
So that's why I never, but no. If him did text, if you did block him and he did text me, then me that say me that ask so like why would you block him?
Him did try to reach out to me, but like me say, me did just it don't go and bother him.
So look, when you block him, you say when you block him.
Alright. You see time when me and him did up on the phone?
I could go and play one match.
Alright, you see time when
come Laura, come.
You see time when me and you did up on the phone, right? The time when me and you did up on the phone with Marky Mark. I was just there talking to Marky Mark, getting the money, and you just get to know Marky Mark then time there. Cause 2 times me and you Marky Mark talk on the phone. And more you clear up the ends in my destiny. Am I a fish to you? Please answer.
If you're a fish?
Yeah.
No, but you're ever made.
Yeah, that more people.
You're not a fish, but you're ever made.
Yeah, that one then clear up the ends to me. So me is not really a fish. I'm just taking the fish them money and using them. But I know like me would I lay down with a man. Cause Marky Mark can't come out and say him ever lay down with me again. The only thing he can say me a Gina, right? That's the only thing he can come out and say that you want Gina. Me used to give him me money. But it's not like he can come out.
That me I don't know.
It's not like he can come out and literally say, this is a fish. Him only have to say him a Ginal. He can't come out and say me is a fish.
Yeah, but Deverell, listen on. Did he send a message saying like any things them do?
Yeah.
And you accept the message. You never tell him to stop.
Me accept it.
So that means you like it, Deverell?
No, listen, that's why I make my sentence clear. He sent me a lot of message say he love me and rare, but you gotta just work with the flow.
So him ever send any nude picture or anything to you?
No, we not.
And him mind you? Hey boy, you like
No.
And him give you much money?
No, because what you know, you have to understand him. Remember say me in a good job, so him respect the thing same way, right? Remember say me tell him say me have a look of change same way. So me the kinda I make it look remember say me did there my job and things, so me kinda look professional, so it's not like him a did somebody, so me used to tell him like say me have this here, me have that there, so me usually get things out of him by that. Same way I used to borrow money and them thing there, but like me literally say, It's just something where
So which part him send the money? Western Union or MoneyGram or what? Whichever.
Western Union. Yeah. When him there try send it through.
So all me and you was good friend in the time they never tell me say yeah get no money. And me and your friend long before him.
Alright. Back then, remember say him there warm about you say you love it mix up and them thing there. And
but me know you long time. You supposed to know that say me love mix up.
Yeah, me know, but like me say,
already the same way where you look at now, the same way all you screenshot a message and send to me, and he does not know that you screenshot the message and send to me. You could have said, yeah, get look something for him though.
Yeah, I could have tell you, no joke. I could have, but like me say, me.
That sound weird.
No, like me say, a long time them thing at me now. Long. But like, listen, you see, she up there, so.
So him never try to reach out back to you?
Him try whole heap of time, but me literally say, me not depend on life there, see, because me is a youth like this. But don't get
when you're able to blood clot, you know black marky bomber clot, me love.
No, me get what look. No, me get what me forget already and him find out me a Gina, right? Just like a woman we give a man everything and she find out say my Gina after. Me don't can him and get what me forget. So if me for call him now and ask him for 5
days. Why you know say that? Why you do that? Why you know say that? Why you do?
No, if me for call him now.
If Marky Mark do that, if Marky Mark do that, me don't know the man girl I love my man. But what me I say is, like you know say no if do that Deverell that no nice man. People will kill for them sitting there, you know.
No, because watch out.
How did you meet Marky Mark? Are you him, me, or him see I like you?
Me don't look. The person inbox me and say walk on and bag a thing. And then me and the person they attack though. And me say the person look like him rich, right?
Jesus.
So back then me I say, remember me not have him as fish or nothing, you know. Me not have him as me just say, Bomba, that dog I look like him rich and big money. That's what me I say. And then, after that, my bro G start talk and then he tell me, say, I'm a fish and everything. And he ask me if I'm a fish and I tell him no. That's what me I say. And
so
then,
all you say, but all you say before you never know say I'm a fish?
No, that's why I'm sure you say me never know before say him was one. So that's why I explain.
But for you look at Marky Mark, you know say Marky Mark is girly.
No, I remember I say him dressed like man, so I be a man picture me and see how him dressed, right? So
him dressed like man, but him dressed in some you know see the type of clothes that Marky Mark dressed in.
Yeah, me understand where you
yes, say. Yes, guys, Marky Land, or whatever I want him that.
Yeah, but look, that is a long time thing that you know. Is what me I say, and at the end of the day, like me say, she drunk and she a chat her bag of fuck with them and she a drink liquor and a chat bag of fuck.
Let me ask you something. How did she know me?
Cause me and you talk on phone before though. As a charge. Them time they never did a fish though.
As a charge? Yeah,
them time they never did a fish. You never did fishy thing. You did the straight thing. No, not joke thing. You laugh like a joke. Them time they no, them time they never fish, they never address like fish and anything.
You're too wicked, man.
No, man, them time they listen. Them time they you never address like fish. You never address like fish.
Deverell.
No, me I tell you.
Oh, me never suggest like trans.
No, so remember you have a more manly
voice. Never suggest like woman in a ear and they sit in the door.
No, and you have a more manly voice.
And you hear what you say? You said you never know that I was that. Yes, remember I know. You say at that time.
Yeah.
You see no. You say at that. You say the time. Alright, listen. First and foremost, you say you don't know. Say me did that trans. I mean wasn't gay or nothing. When you meet me on social media, long time. First thing me talk like woman. Everybody know that for facts. Destiny, you go like you know say me. You know our blood clot me Deverell, so stop going and say, you know, so I saw me dress like girl. Destiny. No, how Laura know Destiny?
Because we talk over phone before, right?
And you say never know say me what? You know a long time, Deverell. How
No,
can I
no,
speak?
no, no, no,
How
no.
can I video call on a call with you and you does not know?
Because them time they never, me tell you, say them time they you
Me
never
used to
fish.
dress like girl them time. Me
You,
can't find picture
no, no,
2019.
no, no,
No,
no,
Deverell,
no.
listen.
Them time
Listen,
they,
Deverell, calm down. Me come to Switzerland 2019. I changed my name 2019, okay? To
yeah.
Destiny Thomas. From 2000, from me there Jamaica, me I dress like girl. Everybody know me. Me have picture me there Jamaica there at Oche Beach. From me come to Switzerland, me dress like a woman. So you have to know, me go out as a woman. The day when you call me, a video call me. Remember say, me dress like a girl, me go to party. So you, oh you mean you don't know? You know Deverell, so stop going, so you know everything.
Because watch you know, at the end of the day, like me literally say, me just don't want in no bang around with nobody. You see what me I say? And what you know, just keep it to yourself and just love that, is it? What you know,
I
just
know me. I am
yeah,
your woman
that's why
that
me I
walk
say
up prank the
just
people them. I am your girl
listen.
that walk up prank the people them and I tell and the things them I come out.
Yeah, that's
And
why
the
me I
girl that
say
say know me, I wonder all the girl know me that me. Then again, the girl, she was when you were talking to me, she was beside of you. And you say certain things to me and you and her did a fight. Remember the night.
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah, yeah.
you tell her in her face, say, my woman this. We live in Switzerland. That's why she knows, say, me this.
Me I never hold
I
up,
swear
but
upon
watch
Father
her.
God life.
Watch her now, watch her now. That's why me I show you as a G to a G. Where you know
Man,
just low them thing there. You
I
see
don't know
it?
what the love. Go back
Yeah,
to the
just
man. Go back to the. Look here, let me tell you what I want you to do. Go back to the devil that you were. Because this devil is not you. The devil that you were, you did look good. This is a devil that you mash up. So you have to go back to the devil that you were. Because to be honest, I would have just looked down on you like anything. Like you don't look good. No, I'm not being shady or disrespectful.
no,
But
I saw it,
before,
bro.
no, to be
But
honest, before when I meet you, you look damn good. I'm telling you, you look good when I meet you. You look so good. Like trust and believe me, me did really in love with you when I just meet you. Now I'm telling you, I just look down upon you like nothing. So you need to go back to that
yeah,
devil.
so that's why me I say was the ever they go on just low that and the mix up thing, the
All right,
job.
we will allow it.
Yeah. So that's why me not really like
No, it's no
the,
relationship mashing up me love by the media. All right, you can go now later.
yeah man. The thing.
The relationship mash him up by media, mash up by cloud. I think that look and then get it. Ask him if I not it mash him up. He tell me say clout he wants and him don't get the clout and he mash him up. Me can't believe. Media can't mash me up. Media make me look good, you crazy. And media mash him up. He didn't do my work. In that work and he did look nice. I'm telling you, he did look so good. Like when me see a pretty boy I text me say, oh my god, this body is so massive and nice. Like naked and nice and the things them. So him did look good and him still working at one call center for true. So if you call me every day. Time can't read that right good, you know. But he make media mash him up the cloud. That's why I know media can't mash up me a blood clot before this mash up my run gone. I mean I beg no money on this. Before this mash up me lift up boy yeah. Him did look good for true. And he know things I mean know.
I never know that Deverell is a fish. You know what I mean? But anyway, people, big up on yourself. Like, share, subscribe, press the notification bell for more upcoming videos, and leave a comment. I'm out.